Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're just doing a trade review of what we did so far. We took a couple of trades. One trade I'm going to be explaining now. See, in the morning, yesterday in my analysis video, if anybody had seen, you would have known that we had a bearish bias, and the market did oblige to that today. See, we had this view that if this pink line is the 200 EMA, what you see, if that breaks, we could dip further on 15 minutes. Multiple times we have taken support there, that has to break. So we are waiting, and this is what I was even updating in my Cosmofit group, that let the 200 EMA break, and then we'll see if we can short. Only then a nice good move will come. Eventually the 200 EMA did break, and we got a nice move from almost until 40,500, and all the support zone that we have marked also came into good play today. So just before this, I took one small scalp, 41,000 put, and exited it. As Thursdays, our plan is to go with little more lot size and capture smaller points, because the movement will be good. Like if Banknifty moves 100 points, the option premium also will jump 50-60 points. So definitely we can go with more quantity. Right now I'm targeting 40,900 put, because we are breaking down this morning support that we had. But I would be comfortable to short if the previous day low breaks. That is what I'm waiting here for. If that breaks, I'll take 40,900 put, and obviously we have our support zones marked, targets marked. And Thursday, whenever you're scalping with big quantity, right, the plan is to always get out as soon as possible when you're in profit, because the premiums can change drastically. Like say you can be plus 40, and within 2 minutes you can be minus 40. So this is where at about 10:13 or 10:15 is where they started breaking down the previous day low. So this is where we decided to take our entry. I'm sorry, I've already taken this entry, 40,900 put. That part of the clip is deleted, I think. So this is the support zone that we have, and the black trend line. If that breaks, probably we can slip further nicely. See, the reason I came here for the red is 20, black, blue 50 MA. See how nicely the parallel channel is also formed on the 1 minute, which allows us to stay in the trade. And the open interest also was showing a pretty bearish move for today. Over here it did look like we might have to take a stop loss, because we had a like a bullish candle on 3 minutes, but on the 1 minute we had a nice confirmation that we could slip further. So that's the reason we stayed in the trade. See, that's why always, even though sometimes if you, just now you saw a nice green candle, right? But now see, it's made a wick. So always we should wait for the candle to close. In this process, sometimes we lose money. That is something that we have to deal with whenever we do go ahead with this type of option scalping. See, before this in the morning itself, when the market was turning, I did try one 41,000 put. It did go well, but there was a small reversal. So I was trading on 1 minute, so just quickly exited. Just made about 7,000 or something there. See, if this day low, the opening day low, what I marked, right, if that breaks, then probably we could slip further. This was a good confirmation that we have closed below the 200 EMA on 15 minute. So that's the reason I was waiting in the trade, and our profits just jumped up. Obviously, even our size was pretty big. The quantity was more. So at this time, I was looking to take some profits because we got a nice dip, right? Nice dip from almost 200-300 points, and there would be some kind of a reversal. So that's the reason was expecting some reversal and was looking to book some profit, but still waited as the momentum became strong on the downside. And there was another support zone as well. You see that long wick over there at about 40,780. So that is also something that we were watching out for. So this is where I was really interested in booking some profits after seeing this long wick. And our scalping profits also were pretty decent for the high quantity that we had. So that's the reason at about this time is where I kind of exited. See, we were perfectly in this, the other support zone that I marked because of the long wick. So kind of expected some reversal at this wick, the previous wick that we had, and the next target would be the S2 of CPR. We did see we captured almost 100 points in options. That is one of my targets, were to capture about 100 or 150 points in options, and we have got that. So this is where I decided to exit our trade and book pretty decent profits for about 1000 quantity, 35 lots or something. And this was just 10:30 in the morning, just about hour and a half from when the market opened. And obviously after this the market slipped some more. We did a little bit of more scalping, but because of this support zone and we are scalping with big quantity, just wanted to exit early. And eventually the market came and hit the bottom support zone as well. So it was a pretty good day so far for us. So let's see post 132 if we can make some kind of a zero to hero trade. But as of now, we had a bearish bias for today and it did work, and we have come out good. Thank you.